Montoya Benyon has been a teacher at Utah Primary School for nearly 20 years. And while teaching during the pandemic has its own challenges, there was one that Montoya was not expecting: having a baby.
It was exciting because this is what we've been wanting. We've been praying for, to get have another baby. But I was safe. Like, I didn't do anything. My husband did everything, like all the shopping, everything that needed to be done, he did it.
Montoya's pregnancy was going well up until she started having breathing problems a few weeks before her due date. And that is when she found out she had COVID. In fact, the entire family tested positive. And that's when things took a turn for the worse for Montoya.
They did the C-section. They had to immediately put me on a ventilator. And so being on that ventilator, I was on there for 16 days. 16 days. And it was a blessing that I made it off because, once I got off the ventilator, they told me, you're lucky. I said, no, I'm blessed.
I spoke with a doctor at Northport Medical Center who understands why mothers are hesitant when it comes to taking the COVID-19 vaccine. However, she says the shot can be beneficial to both mom and baby.
So we are recommending that all of our patients that are pregnant receive the vaccine for multiple reasons. One is we are still worried about mom's health and safety, because if we have a healthy and safe mom, then we're going to have a safe pregnancy. And then also we're seeing the benefit of passing antibodies, where we're getting some passive immunity to the baby.
Once Montoya was off the ventilator, she quickly realized the impact this deadly virus had on the patients around her.
I cried every day, like in the hospital, because I'm still on a COVID floor, and I'm blessed because you hear the nurses and doctors running up and down the hallway because someone is coding.
And when the tears stopped, the real work in rehab began. Montoya says her faith allowed her to endure a difficult rehab that took place 4 times a day. During this time, she learned to walk and perform everyday activities like taking a bath and dressing herself. The simple things we take for granted, she learned to do all over again.
What was the first thing you wanted to do once you got home?
I wanted to hold my baby, because when they did the C-section, I didn't see my baby until my first day when I went to rehab on a Sunday. So I had no idea that I had the baby. I'm just grateful. Anything that comes about, I try to be positive about it, because guess what? I'm still here to live it, so I have no complaints at all.